Today I'm going to show you how to import some 3D models into the Unity. If you want to have a reference file for this lesson, you can download it from one of my videos where you can learn how to make a creeper in Blender. So if you open it and go down, here will be a link to my Google Drive from where you can download all the files that will be needed. Here is a Blender course, and here you can download it. So let's just import it. So I'm in the Unity already. Just right click and import new asset, and from there just use the file you just downloaded or any other file you would like to use. Let's get it into the scene. My file consists of 3 creepers at the moment. So let's just click on the main file, and as you can see, the rotation and position is fine, which is good. But if you click on the creeper, one of it, you can see that rotation on X is -90, which is something that Blender and Unity are not consist of. So let's open it now. I will double click on it. I will just move it here. And as you can see, I will just go out of the camera view and go to the front view. Here we've got everything fine. If I click on my creeper and go to the rotation and scale, we can see that rotation is on 0, which is fine. It is as it should be, really. Maybe I should apply the scale really, but it doesn't matter now. So if we want to have the rotation fine for Unity, and I prefer to have it fine, we should change something in Blender. We should rotate it along the X-axis to have it 0 when we import it. So let's just go back to Blender again, and sometimes it's hard to remember, should we put +90 on X or -90. I found the easiest way that if you just switch to the top view, which is 7, so that you should see the face of those objects. So now if I just press R and X, so I see I should rotate it this way, which is -90. So I will type -90 and just apply rotation, which is Ctrl A, rotation, and save the file. So now if I move back to Unity, once it's compiled, you can see that it was rotated, and you might ask, okay, so now I spoiled the game because the other creeper were fine and now this one is not. But this is not the case. If you just click on that creeper, you should 0 the rotation to have everything fine, and now you can see that the other one is not good. So let me click on the one I changed in Blender and just 0 it. And now, as you can see, this is fine. Go back to Blender once again to save the scale really. So I will just get the scale on 1 on each axis, and I will press Ctrl A and choose the scale. I'll save it. I'll remove the light, I will remove the camera, and I will remove the other creepers as well. I will save it. Go back to Unity, and we should see everything that is pretty much updated. There is no light at the moment in the scene, that's why this is not looking great, but our model is prepared to be used for some game or for other purposes that you would like to use it for. And this is how we import files really. If you would like to know how to use Blender, I will start adding some new movies on YouTube, so you can check it out. And if you like it, subscribe, like it, it will help us a lot. So see you in the next one.